day 59 of my weight loss journey. It's the end of the week and we're feeling good. I didn't let any negative thoughts or weak mind stop me from doing a workout. Just did what I had to do. I just do the workout. And that's it. I think my mind right now and my body is used to the workouts that I've been doing. The 5 minutes of shadow boxing and the squats. So I think by next week, I think our normal workout, we can add more exercises. I think one. So this is in line with my mindset that we just need to be consistent and we go gradually. We add exercises along the way and not push ourselves to the limit that we go and burn out. That's my thoughts for this week, and I hope next week or the next few days I can add more because I finished my workout today and I feel I had more energy than other days. So that is a good sign. That's day 59. See you on day 60.